Are you tired or irritated of Safari constantly asking for your location on your Mac? Safari loves to ask for your location on many websites, but constantly getting interrupted can be frustrating and distracting. Whether you care about your privacy, want a cleaner browsing experience, or just hate unnecessary interruptions, disabling location requests in Safari is a smart move, and this video will show you how to do it. But before we start with the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to App Tutor for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. So I've opened the Safari web browser on my Mac, and you want to do the same thing. Our job now is to access the Safari settings page, and we will do that by clicking on the Safari option from the menu bar and then click on Settings, right here. This little window will pop up where we'll be able to customize a bunch of settings, and we want to select the Websites section here. The left side of this screen has a lot of options related to the camera, microphone, and similar things, but let's tap on this Location option. This will show us a list of all the different websites which are currently opened in Safari, and you will have the option at the right side to allow those sites to access your location. These are currently set to Ask, which means that you'll get those annoying pop-ups asking you if you want to share your location with that website, but you can set this to Deny if you don't want those sites to get your location, or you can set it to Allow, and those pop-ups won't appear anymore, but you'll give the website access to your location permanently. I suggest that you set this to Deny if you're using a website which doesn't need your current location. And one more option which will change is this at the bottom right corner of the window. It says, when visiting other websites, so you'll just want to set this to Deny also, and you won't be getting those annoying Safari pop-ups that ask about your location. If you found this video useful, then please consider leaving a like on it, and I will see you in the next one.